Hello my friend, welcome to my video. Today I will show you and tell you how I unpack and assemble an outdoor corner sofa that can be transformed into several layouts. The Home4You Malta with article number 23522 with a corner sofa and table is specially designed for outdoor use, providing comfort and style to your outdoor living space. Garden furniture set Malta is simple and multifunctional. The back and armrest of the sofa are easy to remove and relocate. By repositioning the position of the sofa models and tables, it is possible to create several different versions of the set. The strong main construction of all parts of the set is made of aluminum and finished with a grey powder coating. All tabletops are made of polywood. Thick grey cushions ensure excellent sitting comfort. Cushion covers are made of polyester fabric. The corner sofa features a spacious sitting area that can fit multiple people, allowing you to relax and socialize with your friends and family. This set is constructed with durable materials that are resistant to various weather conditions, ensuring its longevity even when it comes to sunlight, rain or humidity. The cushions are designed to be weather resistant and easy to clean, providing both comfort and benefits. The two tables included in the set complements the corner sofa perfectly. They offer a sturdy surface for placing drinks, snacks or decorative items while enjoying your outdoor space. Tables are also made from weather-resistant materials, ensuring its durability over time. In summary, the garden furniture set Malta is a versatile and stylish choice for outdoor seating. With its durable construction and comfortable cushions, it provides a cozy spot for relaxation and socialization in your outdoor parties. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I will try to answer you. Enjoy watching.
Come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling.